Crypto is dumping. Bitcoin is crashing. We just got back from Bitcoin Vegas 2025. We're back in the office, and I want to give you some crypto breaking news. Bitcoin is dumping all the way down to $103,000. We haven't seen this happen since about a month ago, okay? This is exactly as I predicted, guys. You know, usually the Bitcoin conferences, the crypto conferences are a little bit of a sell the news event, usually. And I've been predicting this. I've been saying, guys, you know, June, July, expect not bullish, but bearish, sideways, choppy behavior. Usually June, July, the summer is notoriously boring and filled with low volume for crypto. And guys, what am I doing right now? While Pepe, XRP is dumping, altcoins are dumping, and Bitcoin is trading nearly 103,000, I am buying. I am buying Bitcoin. I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than I've ever been over the past 10 years of me being involved in crypto, as I'm going to continue to accumulate Bitcoin for the rest of my life. Now, what am I doing with altcoins right now, guys? Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I just tell you guys what I'm doing, and I put my money where my mouth is. And what I'm doing right now is I am trading. I am shorting a little bit here and there. I'm just kind of doing some scalp long and shorts here. I think that through June and July, it's going to be maybe a little bit of some grass season, if you will. I think that trading will be difficult, but if you guys do want to trade and you think that you are up to the task and you want to make some profit, then check out in the description box below or pin comment down below with a $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin. All you have to do is click that link, deposit Trailbit, you get a bunch of free money, and you get a lot of awesome promotions. But guys, I will say, like, in all honesty, what I'm doing right now is I'm cautiously leverage trading here, just very short-term leverage scalping, high leverage scalping. Just really for fun, really. I think that if I'm trying to capitalize on these markets, the best thing I could be doing right now is dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, in my opinion. I still believe that, you know, Q4, guys, Q4 2025 is when we should see some big moves, the final move of the 4-year cycle, if you will. I'm not going to say a super cycle just yet until I get full confirmation of that fat lady singing at the top of her lungs, because I think that the 4-year cycle is all we really had to go off of. And I'm not going to change the most concrete data point that I use until I get actual confirmation that that is gone and it's not a useful tool anymore. And until that point, Q4 2025 should be a bullish time for crypto. It should be, guys. That should be when we see that last leg to the upside before we see a year bear market. And I will say, though, super cycle or no super cycle, I think that for sure that cycle after cycle after cycle, the cycles are becoming more muted. So less volatility, because the larger the asset gets, the more institutions that get involved, well, it requires a lot more money to move the market as it did at a, let's say, $1 million market cap versus a $2 trillion market cap, right? So all in all here, guys, my message to you is, what am I doing? I'm buying more Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. What am I doing with alts? I'm waiting for a good point to be trading, leverage trading. Guys, you know that I've been buying alts really all since the bear market back in 2022, 2023. I've been taking profit along the way. So I'm not really looking for more positions, long-term positions, but swing trading, sure. But even my swing trading positions, something really has to catch my eye for me to say, hey, I'm going to go into this heavy. So really what I'm trying to do is profit off of leverage trading. I have my $200,000 XRP long position. I have some 75x Pepe longs and shorts even sometimes. But right now, I'm prepared for some sideways chop. I'm prepared for some recovery as well. Like, June and July don't have to be just a nuke. It does not have to just nuke down. But bearish, more leaning bearish, sideways chop, yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting. But guys, I just want to come out here. We're back in the office. We're back at the Crypto Report, able to actually bring to you some live videos. We got a little bit of a strike on the channel a couple days ago, and it was removed. It was an accident by AI, by YouTube's AI system, which was unfortunate, but now we're back in action, guys. So if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. I'm giving you guys this crypto breaking news, in my opinion, on what's going on in these markets, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.